A Quetzalcoatlus glides over the caldera, smoke and ash rising from the earth below. The glow of molten lava casts a dramatic, fiery light on its underside. In this epic, almost mythical scene, the pterosaur seems like a creature born of fire and air, a true force of nature navigating a world in flux. And again, we come back to the eyes. A close-up reveals the prehistoric sky reflected in their surface. It's an intense, intelligent gaze, not just instinct but awareness. This was a creature that observed, that calculated, that dominated its environment not just with size, but with cunning.